This is what it looks like at night with the sun down. And I'm gonna insert a video of one of my friends bought this. He's showing it to his dad. His dad likes it. Let's watch some of the video.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. How's it light up?
Right here at nighttime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And one thing about this that
Yep.
I haven't never done is that turns into a planter and that bottom piece. So this is literally a 6-in-1. You can have this on the ground and then those turn into planters. Man, pick this up while it's on sale right now and give us a follow. Love y'all.